Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I am simply going to teach you how to change your brush size keyboard shortcut in your Photoshop. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, I'm simply going to go ahead and pull out a on-screen keyboard, which is going to be very helpful to show you guys the current shortcut that is on Photoshop. So as you can see, I just selected my brush, and the current shortcut to go ahead and change the brush sizes are these two brackets right over here. When you go ahead and press the right bracket, it's gonna go ahead and make your brush bigger, as you can see, and if you press the left bracket, it's gonna go ahead and make the brush size smaller. However, if you don't like the way it is currently, in order for you to go ahead and change the brush size, all you have to do is on the top left of your screen, you want to simply go ahead and click on this edit button right over here, and now down here go ahead and click on keyboard shortcut. And now here, shortcuts 4, you want to simply go ahead and select tools, and now scroll all the way down until you go ahead and see brush size increase and brush size decrease. So as you can see, it is right over here. And now in order for you to go ahead and change it, just click on it and go ahead and select any key you want, and it's gonna simply go ahead and change for you. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below any other queries you might have, and if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.